Hi everybody, so here I am with the GoPro Max and the Insta360 X3, and we're going to do a low light test between the three of them. Between the two of them. I know there's about 3 years in difference. This one came out in 2019, this one came out in 2022, so let's see what the big differences are in low light. Okay, for a few seconds I'll keep you guys wondering as to which one is which. Okay, enough. Here you go. Alright, there you have it. 3 minutes of low light performance from these two popular 360 cameras. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the performance or contrast or colors or accuracy, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you. Bye.